Hello students, hope that you are fine. Welcome to my geography video tutorial of 8th standard. The chapter is Asia, Climate, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. So this is long chapter, that's why I have divided this into 2-3 parts, and already in my previous video I have started with the climate part, and I have already described about the climatic factors which are affected by that great influence on climate. Now next we are coming in this video, I will show you the Asian climatic types. The types of climate experienced in Asia are: number 1, equatorial type of climate, monsoon type of climate, temperate grassland type of climate, then tropical desert type of climate, Mediterranean type of climate, China type of climate, Manchurian type of climate, and taiga type of climate, and tundra type of climate. Let's start now the equatorial type of climate. That equatorial type, where we have seen this area. You have seen that the equatorial type means 0 degree to 10 degree north and south of the equator. Generally in the equator is that equatorial type of climate. So here direct sun rays, this side direct sun rays are falling in this area. So that is too hot. And as it is too hot, that's why humidity also more. And this temperature remains high almost throughout the year, as this region is having the type of climate. This is direct sun rays. So the range around the temperature is nearly 3 degrees centigrade, and the range shows less variation, as the highest temperature in this region is 30 degrees centigrade and the lowest is 27 degrees centigrade. So what we have seen, the range of temperature means difference between highest and lowest is very less. The reason is only that one, that direct sun rays, so high evaporation, and due to that every day there is at 4 o'clock a huge amount of rainfall, and huge amount of rainfall, that's why means humidity is more. That's why even 30 degrees centigrade temperature, the overall life is very uncomfortable due to this that high humidity. So what are the regions are found here? That if you will see that where it is found, equatorial regions experiencing the equatorial climate of Asia, and that is this part only, all this, that Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Andaman and Nicobar Islands, then the Thailand and some parts of Sri Lanka, this part. Then natural vegetation means what trees are there and what are the types are there. The vegetation is dense due to hot and wet climate. Means tall trees are generally found here, and these trees are different species as it is different species. So from far, each and every tree is having the characteristics that the different time they shed their leaves. So whenever one tree shades its leaf, another tree is having leaf. So from far, if you will see, you will be not able to understand that the which tree shades its leaf and which not. So from far we will see that is evergreen, always green tree. So that's why it is called also evergreen forest. And these are rich, that the forest have great varieties of trees, I have told you, and that is that the fern, then shrubs and creepers, and different creepers and deep undergrowth trees are also found here. And the many hardwood trees and just mahogany, ebony, coconut, rosewood, cinchona, etc. are also found in this region. Next we will come that the wildlife. Different species of animals and birds are found in this region. These animals include ape, monkey, elephant, then the tree lizards, tree frogs, and then various birds and reptiles, etc. here found in this region. The Komodo dragon is also found in some of the islands of Indonesia. Next, monsoon type of climate. Monsoon type of climate, where we will find this. This is in this area: India, Bangladesh, then Pakistan, then that Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia. This area generally Western Philippines, in this area generally we have found this monsoon type of climate. Extreme temperature is experienced here, hot summers and cold winters. A distinct rainy season during summers is observed during the southwest monsoon winds. That southwest monsoon winds blows from sea to land. That's why in the summer season southwest monsoon winds blows, and due to that summertime there is rainfall, but other time there is no rainfall. Hence, the maximum rainfall occurs during the summer, and winters are usually dry due to the northeast monsoon winds. Northeast monsoon winds are coming from northeast, from here to here it is going, and southwest means from this side to this side. So you have seen from sea to land they are going, that's why sea to land use moisture and rainfall here. And northeast monsoon winds coming from land, so land from where they will get the moisture. That's why there is no rainfall in the winter time. Annual rainfall varies between 25 to 250 centimeter depending on that location of the place, such as that the coastal area, whatever the coastal areas there is heavy rainfall, and which one is interior region, interior part there is less rainfall. And somewhere you see that the wherever mountains windward side heavy rainfall, and opposite side, that is leeward side, there is less rainfall. Now let's see that what is the natural vegetation found here. The distribution of vegetation generally depend on climate, and amount of rainfall also. So their heavy rainfall have deciduous trees and they are thick evergreen trees. Deciduous trees do not shed their leaves at a particular time, and deciduous trees shed their leaves at a particular time, and coniferous trees, they do not shed their leaves at a particular time. The trees whatever is found here are having broad leaves: teak, sal, rosewood, deodar, sandalwood, peepal, and that neem, mango, banana, then rubber. These are the mainly trees are found here. And the forests are depleting fast, as most of the tropical forest is the continent have already cleared to the process of land for intensive agriculture. And now next see that what are the that wildlife are found here. Wildlife, variety of wildlife here also found, that lions, tigers, leopards, rhinoceros, then deer, and various types of snakes like python, king cobra, monkeys, etc. are found in this region. Bright colored birds like parrot, peacocks are also found in this region. Next is temperate grassland type of climate. So temperate type grassland type of climate, where we have found that these areas we have found, that is in Eurasia, this is known as steppes. So this grassland extends from Ukraine. You have seen that Ukraine, from Ukraine slowly it is coming this side, and that is which are the places, that is Siberia, Eastern Mongolia, then Kazakhstan, here Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkmenistan are under this region. So now see that what type of climate we have found here. Warm summers and cold winters, they are cause a wide range of temperature, annual temperature. Rainfall is scanty but mostly occurs in the early summer time. And the areas experiences this type of climate are under the influence of westerlies that become dry by the time when they reach the country's interior part, and the results is the rainfall. Westerlies is coming from generally from the Mediterranean Sea. This Mediterranean Sea, whenever it is coming, then from sea they are coming and bringing that the moisture, and as they are bringing moisture from the sea, that's why they shades also moisture here, and it brings rainfall. Annual rainfall varies from 25 centimeter to 75 centimeter, But remember that here winters cold wind blow in the form in the in the northern side. Acha. Then next you see that is the what are the natural vegetation found here. Short grasses are found here. They are generally tree less due to the scanty rainfall and do not support the growth of the trees. These trees, treeless grassland, are called steppes. Already I have told you. Then what are the wildlife? Few animals are found here. Antelopes, mules and wolves are found in this region. So I am concluding my video here. Only I am describing that equatorial type, monsoon type and temperate grassland type of climate up to now. My next video I will describe about the temperate desert type, tropical desert and others so on. So stay with me and I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you everybody. Have a nice day.